Hello friends, welcome to Shalu's Artistry. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a wall hanging like this using coconut caps.
So let's see the materials needed. We'll need sticks, coconut caps and baby coconuts. We'll also need thread, pearl, glue gun, measuring tape or scale and a compass. Take some baby coconuts and remove its caps. Take the dried one, or after removing it, just dry it and then use it. Color it with fabric paint like a flower. Take some more coconut caps and paint it like fully bloomed blossoms. Now join the sticks and prepare 4 sticks like this. Measure and draw a square of 8 inches on each side. Place the sticks over the square and stick it together using hot glue. Now the frame is ready. Mark 12 points on the frame with 3 points on each sides. Let's make the hangings. Join the ends and insert a bead and secure it like this. Now insert a bud through the needle and the pearl will hold it from falling. Measure 2 inches and make double knots. Insert a pair of small pearls and the knots will hold it from falling. Position it in every 2 inches like this. Insert a small and big pearl this time. It will hold the flowers from falling. Similarly, prepare 12 hangings. Now let's tie all the hangings in ascending order. Now let's add another supporting layer of sticks to strengthen the frame. Place 2 sticks opposite to each other in the center. Tie it with green thread and secure it tightly. This is an extra protection for the frame. Now paste the flowers on all the 4 joints and place a pearl inside it. Cut and remove the excess sticks. Now color the gaps which were not colored previously. Turn and tie 2 threads diagonally. The first thread should be lengthier and the second one should be shorter. Now tie the lengthier thread like this and secure the smaller thread. This way our hanger is ready. Now our wall hanging is ready. It looks beautiful, natural and really refreshing in the front yard. I'm excited seeing the finished product. Now you can place it anywhere you want. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.